Y'all know I love the opportunity to dress up. Hi, I'm Hannah. Thank you so much for coming to my channel where I talk all things costumes, cosplay, and events. Today we are talking about the Yuletide Ren Fest in Northwest Ohio. This event is hosted by the Gathering of Kingdoms events. You can find them on Instagram and TikTok, and I'll try to remember to link them below. They are super nice. Please support them. Now, I decided to attend this event very last minute. This event was on a Saturday, and I think maybe Tuesday, Wednesday, I was like, I think I'm gonna go. So I was like, I'm free, I can make this drive on my own. Let's I don't know, let's go. I'm not sure what I'm gonna wear, let's figure it out. Once I made that decision, I went and stopped at my favorite thrift store, hoping to find something good. And boy, did I find something good. Literally the most perfect ball gown in my size for $15. And it was black. I love black. It was a little big on me, but it had a corset back, so I could just tighten it up a little bit, and it was perfect. I still can't believe my luck, honestly. I really can't. This is absolutely one of my favorite thrift finds ever. There was one minor issue on it. One of the loops on the corset back had come undone, so, less than 5 minutes at my sewing machine, and that was fixed, and the dress was perfect. Because I threw this together last minute, I didn't have, and we're close to the holidays, I didn't have time to order any other things from Amazon or whatever. I didn't find anything at a couple thrift stores that I checked. So I just raided my closet, found some shoes that I wore to my college graduation, if you believe it or not, found some costume jewelry, pulled one of my crowns, and decided to wear my wig that I bought for my Faire cosplay TikTok content. So I threw all of that together and I had a complete look, and I literally spent $15. And I feel like that's an accomplishment. So the event itself was free, but they were asking for donations for a local food bank in lieu of a ticket purchase. So I bought a non-perishable food item and was happy to donate. They were able to collect a lot of donations, which is wonderful. This event was held at the Toledo Club in Toledo, Ohio, which is an absolutely stunning venue. I walked in and was amazed. Not only is the building itself beautiful, but it was also elegantly decorated for Christmas. I honestly just didn't want to leave this building. It was so beautiful in there. And then one of the other great things about this event and this venue, there's an attached parking lot where it is free to park, so you don't have to pay an extra $15, $20 for parking in addition to coming to this event. So completely free parking, and I only spent $15 on a dress. I'm never getting over how little I spent on this dress. I'm keeping it, and I will be wearing it again. But anyway, so inside the building, there was live music by several different groups, different individuals, different artists. There's a tavern inside of the building as well, and they had a themed lunch. There were several vendors. There was a whole room full of board games, photo opportunities. I think there was even Santa was even there at some point, and even more activities that I was not able to experience. So it was a packed day. The venue itself didn't seem crowded, but there was a lot of different activities kind of interspersed throughout the day, so never a dull moment. I will say apparently the tavern lunch was very popular this year, because I remember them making a post maybe on the event page about the tavern being full for the afternoon, which is a great problem to have, right? And they also posted that they will look into increasing the hours of the tavern for next year, so we're already looking at improving things for next time. One of the other reasons I decided to attend this event last minute, other than needing an excuse to get dressed up, was one of my friends from college who I haven't seen in literally a decade was also going to be there as a vendor. So I was so happy to be able to see her, briefly catch up, and also support her small business. I did buy a little belt bag that I'm super excited to use. It's absolutely stunning. So yeah, I will link her shop info and her costume-centered Instagram account in the description. She is a wonderful human, and you should absolutely check her out. Her sewing skills are amazing. All of her stuff is super high quality, and I cannot recommend her enough. Now, the day of this event, there was also a major snowstorm hitting Ohio. and I am not in the Toledo area. It was a couple hours for me to drive there. So because of this storm, I was not able to stay a super long time, but I'm honestly just happy that I got to go at all. And I just kind of wanted to share my experience and my footage with you all. I wish I could have stayed for more and maybe taken part of that tavern lunch, but I'm hoping to make it back next year so I can try again next year. So Gathering of Kingdoms also does fantasy balls at the Toledo Club at this same venue. From what I've seen online, it looks to be one every spring and one every fall. Unfortunately, I am almost always working during these events. I know I'm going to be working during the one this spring, and I'm very sad about it, but I am hoping to make it to one of their fantasy balls in the future. And I'm just going to hold out hope that it's going to magically work for one of their upcoming events, because I really did enjoy my time here. The vibes were just immaculate. Everybody was in great spirits, and it was all around. It was just wonderful. It was really, truly wonderful. Either way, if I'm able to attend a fantasy ball with them in the future or not, I will definitely try to continue attending this free Yuletide event. I just think it is an absolutely wonderful way to spend your afternoon and support some charity and just have a good time with friends and family near the holidays. So that brings me to the end of this video. Have you ever been to a Gathering of Kingdoms event or any other fantasy ball? Tell me your stories. I want to hear it all. Thanks so much again for watching this video, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.